If Media Composer crashes while you're using it, you can recover some autosaves from your project. You have to be on the same computer that you were originally editing with. Go to Sierra, then click Users, then click Shared, then Avid Media Composer, then Avid Attic. All the projects that were opened and used on that device will have a folder with bin saved in it. After copying the bin file to your project space drive on Edit Share, rename it from the extension dot and the number of the bin file to .avb. After you have renamed your bin, you can now launch Avid Media Composer and go to File, Open, and then locate your bin in your project space drive on Edit Share. All of your changes should be saved from the last time the computer auto-saved that project. For more information about Media Composer and other software and equipment the Technical Services window provides, go to the TSW's website at wpunj.edu/TSW and follow us on social media.